Greetings, fellow traders. Welcome here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Wednesday, September the 29th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So SPX, guys, still showing a bearish engulfing month as we've got basically 2 trading days left here. Inside week so far. Daily chart, inside day. We talked about this last night. If you guys check out the video at the end of this one, last night's show, explained that, hey, we'll probably be up a little bit and maybe a little bit of a kind of a pause day. So we're definitely seeing that type of price action today. Again, it's kind of wave 4-ish price action, right? So here you can see we had this 1, 2, 3 and kind of have this A, B, C-ish wave 4. So we're just kind of waiting to see if wave 5 starts, and we're looking for a retrace and see if it starts to work its way down. Let's take a look at SPY. Now, JPOW is actually talking here this afternoon or this morning, so that's looking kind of interesting right here. But again, same thing here, very, very low volume compared to yesterday. But one of the things I wanted to point out to you here is look at this bounce here right off our gamma flip level, also the bottom of the channel. So really cool stuff there. S&P futures, again, generally the volume was pretty decent here this morning. We got a big move here this morning, and then just kind of got really super duper choppy. And then the volume just kind of dropped down to its, kind of boring choppy levels, right? MES. Again, same thing. So one thing we do want to keep an eye on right here is just kind of keep an eye on the upper levels here today and see if it decides to break out here into the afternoon. Let's take a look at the Qs. Again, Qs, kind of bouncing off of its gamma flip level. Let's see if it can hold there. Otherwise, we go into negative gamma territory. It gets a little bit scary. IWM off of the lows here so far. Very choppy price action today. XLF, very grindy to the upside, but generally hanging in there. So again, right now, we're not looking at any sort of like a market flush or anything like that. VIX is actually pretty choppy, but well over 20 right now. So kind of just waiting, just kind of sitting around waiting for some action. Apple, we pointed this out short here today. It was kind of a little mini harmonic here, breakdown out of our big signal zone above right here, which gave us a nice short opportunity intraday, and still looking a little bit bearish here going into the afternoon. Tesla, again, big push here at the open, putting out a nice pop right here. I showed that to you guys in the public Twitter, and then it ended up completely reversing, and now it's breaking down out of this signal zone here below. A couple requests out there. Again, kind of a slow, choppy day today, but Bitcoin down here going into the afternoon. Again, like I said, guys, rough candle right here. Watch if it breaks down below 40,000. LSID, this thing's been pretty popular here recently. They talked about it was up overnight and then gave a little bit of a pop here this morning. Just having trouble getting over those levels there. You can see the line that I drew on there. MU, kind of struggling here today, right? It tagged yesterday's range, filled the gap, and then came back down again. So that was pretty rough there after earnings on MU. It's kind of weighing on the semiconductors. PLTR was more downside action as it's testing the 50-day moving average. Watch if it closes down below there. SDC, again, this thing's turning into a penny stock right now, but inside day here so far. GME, let's take a look. GME, just really kind of a doji here below the 50-day moving average. And AMD, again, another semiconductor name being brought down by AMD, back under its geometric line right here, and honestly looking a little bit weak. So let's see how this ends up closing here today. But AMD kind of struggling here as well. So anyway, guys, really appreciate the request. Hope everybody's an awesome rest of the afternoon. We're expecting generally chop right here, leaning bearish because we're in a downtrend, but we'll look for wave 4 price action, and we'll go from there. So thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll see you at the market wrap. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe. See you in the game.